Let's discuss copy a value and copy a reference. Start with an example. We store a value of 10 with x and we call a modify function where it is updated to 50. So whether that value is reflected 50 or 10. Just to understand that better, like x, here we contain the value of 10. Whenever we pass to a modify function, the value is copied. So the a will point to a new address x102. Any changes to the x is not going to be reflected. But objects are copied by reference. So here we define an object tweet, and inside the modify function we change this b.name to Steve. So initially the tweet and b will point to the same reference, and any modification through b also, the tweet object will be reflected or modified. The third and final case, we know that any object is passed by reference. But inside this modify function, if we try to assign a new object, then this C will be allocated a new address. So any modification to the C, the original Insta object is not getting reflected. Now let's see some code in action. Like we club together all this method chains into this modify function, and here we define the 3 variable and we call this modify function and try to print it. Let's see what happened. So the x, there is no change in the x value, so it will be still remain 10, but the tweet.name will change to Steve because the property is getting modified in this stage. And whereas insta.name is still pointing to the profile, there is no change here because we are assigning a new object in this case. So this C will be a different object altogether. So hope you learned something today. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye.